back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to compare your portfolio allocation to a model target in Empower. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to compare your portfolio to a model target in Empower, all you can do is simply tap open your Empower. So comparing your portfolio allocation to a model target involves a systematic review process that includes determining your current allocation, defining your target model, performing a side-by-side analysis, and rebalance to align. So the first step is to simply determine your current allocation. Once you have done this, you can simply first get a clear picture of data, categorizing your assets, calculating your percentages, and then defining your target model as well. So once you have done this, you can perform a side-by-side analysis like visual comparisons, identifying your over or under weightings, and evaluating your performances. Now you can rebalance to align and monitor and review regularly. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.